Yo, what's up guys? So I got my hands on this new MacBook and I figured out I will record a fast unboxing video over here. So I'm a total noob when it comes to MacBook or Apple products. So be a guest with me and see me failing this unboxing pretty much. No, I'm just kidding. I hope it will go well. So what we got over here is a 14-inch MacBook Pro with the Apple M2 Pro chip. And this is the upgraded model with 1 terabyte of SSD and with the better processor and GPU. So it has 12 CPU cores and 19 graphic card cores. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I think you are supposed to do this. Always make sure, guys, that your devices are sealed. So this is sealed and I'm happy that it's not unboxed, because sometimes you can get even unboxed devices over here, and I want a brand new one from the factory. So the packaging looks amazing. I think I'm supposed to do this right now. Wow, this just is quality over here. Amazing. I'm scared to open it in the air, so let's try like this. Oh wow, and you get a welcome sound as well. Now this is amazing. Okay, I will put it back over here. And let's see what's in the case. So we got the new Apple charger over here with the magnetic connector. And I would like to see how it connects to the actual laptop over here. So let's try to unbox this. I love how the packaging feels. This is a premium that you get in the Apple category of products over here. And the actual connector over here is white for the charger. I don't even know if you get the charger over here. I hope you do. I didn't even watch another unboxing videos. So this is the cable itself, and this is white over here. So it's interesting with Apple going to USB-C as well. So what I will try to do right now is try to connect this. So this is connecting both ways, I believe. Wow, that is satisfying over here. Very nice. I'm not sure how you... Okay, you just like kind of break it off. Very nice. So let's see what else do we got over here. Oh, and here's the charger. Here's the documents. So as everyone knows, you just pile them in the trash. I'm just kidding, left them over maybe for some guarantee or something like that. So the charger over here, nice brick. I don't know how many watts this is pushing. And I fucked up the unboxing.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, wow, so our MacBook is living his own life over there already. And this is the charger with a white USB connector as well over here. How many watts does it have? And I don't see it over here, but it has to be around 100 watts, I believe. Do we get anything else as well? I don't think so, that's all. So it's just air underneath, I believe. So let's get back again to the laptop. Amazing. This is my first Apple device as well. So I'm curious to see how this will work and if I will switch to an iPhone as well. So far, I'm amazed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you a great day. Bye bye.